guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another YouTube video. This is Kirsten Zelaya. You can tell in my background I am in another hotel. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, but yesterday was quite a trip for me. I had too much little fun, so my attorneys decided to give me another hotel room. I wanted to make a video that I can show you guys how Hotel Zaza is, because this is my first time and I want you guys to see how this experience went for me, in case you guys want to go and find a hotel in Dallas. So this is Hotel Zaza. I'll be making a little vlog. So this is the windows, you know, it's like the city. This is how it looks. So in this, it has 2 robes and 2 slippers. This was my huge bed. Sorry, excuse my mess. It has everything. So as you can tell, I'm on my robe right now. I gotta go shower. Lounge seating area. I honestly enjoyed this room. This room was very beautiful because it has like all these snacks, although I'm not gonna touch any of them. Actually, I didn't want these. And I think I got like the dots. Oh, and I think I got the water, which I'm gonna get the other water because I am dehydrated. I technically have till noon. I think I have like 10 minutes to get ready. So I'm gonna shower real quick, put the same clothes because I didn't bring any clothes from home since I didn't plan this. And then I'll check out, get out, try to figure where my car is at because we left it at some bougie restaurant that we were drinking at that I don't remember. Oh, yes. So I wanted to show you guys the restroom because this restroom, I think that was one of my favorite parts. Honestly, when I turned on the water, this scared me. I was like, damn, this freaking hotel is scary. Like I'd be scaring myself out of nowhere. Ooh, I like their little products. Usually they're very small compared to these. We got conditioner, body lotion, shampoo, and body wash. So I'm about to shower like I explained, and then I'll put on my clothes and then vamonos. Only thing that I really did bring was my purses. Luckily, I have a brush in that purse, not a toothbrush. I'm about to go to home and get ready, guys. I'm just brushing my hair a little bit so I can get out. And I do not want to walk in my heels, so I'm glad that they provided these because it's exactly how I'm walking out. Anyways, when I check out, I'm going to take a little walk around the area, and then I'll show you guys the pool, and then we'll leave. From what I've seen from the Hotel Zaza, I feel like they're very hippie. They're very cultural. They're very, I don't know how to explain. I'm gonna have to research what the word salsa means. I just noticed you get this in each room, you know, that's like very cultural, like, you know, I don't know, that's just my opinion. That's how my door looks. I don't know how to explain it. It's like artsy stuff. But anyways, this is a hallway, and look, they have like these type of stuff. So it's like different things. Crazy night. I guess, you know, you deserve to live once in a while. Wow, beautiful. Right here, a picture right here. Okay guys, I checked out. I'm about to show you guys around the hotel, so let's show you guys around. Well, they have this going on, which is why I say it's very cultural, because they have like different stuff. So you see like the statues, I don't know what they mean, but they mean something. Down there is the bar. Sorry guys, my phone died, but this is how the pool section looks. I was just hanging out over there in the hot tub area. Before my phone dies, I really need to go get my car and stuff. I guess it's like the whole entrance and stuff. So it's a very, very beautiful hotel. It's very dreamy. I don't know what all the statues really mean. Not too sure. I do see an olive street over there. That's where I remember I was at. Hopefully I hit the restaurant there. My GPS is acting stupid too, and it's running my battery even faster. I don't know if I messed up for saying this, but the homeless guys were like, man, can I have some spare change right now? I was like, bro, I'm in the same boat as you right now. I literally have no wallet, no key, no nothing. So do not ask. Oh my God, I actually made it. I made it through some other way. Oh, that's the place, El Frisco's. So I need to get to the valet to get my car. To be exact, this is a place where my bosses told me, yo, let's link up. Literally like at 8 p.m. I literally got ready, came here to Del Frisco's. And then from there we head to another bar in the same shopping center. And then from there we went to Hotel Zaza. Oh my God, my car is there. Y'all, I'm starving. I think I'm gonna go get waffle now because I'm freaking starving. I want waffles. I made it to my car, found it. He wasn't too bad, isn't he? Got my car, got my charger, and I'm gonna go get food. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up. If you enjoy these type of videos, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you can stay tuned on when I post my weekly videos. And I hope to stay in touch with you guys, so I'll see you guys next weekend. Bye!